All right, Travion, I am currently in your class, Georgia Studies, and you can see that I'm logged into Student View, so I'm able to see the exact same thing that you see on your page. So what you need to do is go over here and click Modules, and then you have to scroll down to 319-2020, a very big branch. When you click on that assignment, it pulls it up. Again, this is in student view, so it is what you are seeing. You have to download the activity, you have to download the reading, and then it tells you how to save it and then type on the assignment. So if I go to download this activity, it might take a minute for mine to download because my PDF isn't up right now. But you can see it downloads in student view, and here's the activity for it. I am not exactly sure where you're going. You're going to have to screenshot it, send it to me, because on my end, as far as what I can see the students see, it is still working. And I'm also having students submit this particular assignment today, so I know that other students in your class can get to it. Again, screenshot whatever it is you're seeing so that I can figure it out on my end.